response. I see you.
Are you set up our dream cake topper?
Niche within healthcare.
I'd like to welcome you to Fort Worth, Texas for season 1 of The Shift, the very first ever respiratory care reality challenge. This test will see how prepared you are for surviving an essential part of being a respiratory therapist, surviving the night shift.
I didn't sleep on the plane. I didn't sleep last night.
Hopefully I don't fall asleep during the challenge because I've been up since 4:30 in the morning.
The challenges will be comprised of both individual challenges as well as team challenges.
I used to play poker for a living, so you learn people's tendencies and you play those to your advantage.
I kind of have a semi-photographic memory.
Because you acted like you had a 1970s Rolodex in your head. You were like,
Survivor at its finest.
The final exams will be conducted by your judges and your coaches.
I do a lot of escape rooms back home. I'm looking for sheer drive in the contestants.
It really was such a unique experience where we were brushing our teeth with strangers, basically.
Finally, we have our celebrity judge, Dana Evans. Your AARC president.
You kind of have that initial freak out reaction.
Person with the most points at the end of the night will be crowned the champion of the shift.
I'm excited to win.
I probably would have came first in that one.
He's chilling at 68.
Good JBD.
It was awesome. I hope y'all want calculus shots. I'm not gonna lie.
they probably would have won the whole thing.
First competition starts roughly about 6 p.m. and will end at 6 a.m.
Oncology is my kryptonite.
I had chills.
I'm just kind of ready to go to bed.
Let's go get your scrubs on and get ready for the shift.